Okay, Jamia Wobo. Very good.
I'm done.
Okay. Okay, this is not also. Okay, this is Tinju Beton. So, dear, just so.
Yeah.
Then show me your paper. Okay, this next thing 90, 14. Okay, very good. Okay, so la, the number change that. Will you be able to do this thing, Kram? And the greater, the smaller letters that if I give you bigger number chimbutina. For example, 441. 441 and 434 children, and wait, 999 90 990 plus 1 2 3 6 7 90 la 99 567 greater than 576 900 999 999 당아 당부 들린게不合适的对吗这个意思是可是这里不怎么 okay then that's good alhamdulillah sitting 700 7 8 6 greater or smaller than 7 더 들려다가라 그래서 디자인한 걸라
Deba. So what are we to do?
You're supposed to compare these numbers and write which one is greater. Like sign you have to write which one is greater. And it, for example, which one is greater among these two? 441 plus or 434. Which one is greater? This one is greater. 441, right? 441 greater than 434. So you have to write this thing. Sign the. Okay? Okay. 맞다, 그래서. 그것도 셴바드 든지도 셌다다. 이미 셴바드도 지겨도죠. 그럼 제가 정면 공부할 때 나오나. Okay, 든지. Okay, 든지 든지 this year's 기시다. 정면 공부도 든지 남자 딕소. Okay. 든지 든지 딕소. Did you get it? What I said? What you said?
Yes.
Okay, now Kara. Okay, this is tricky to you. This is tricky. Yes, Krishna.
Huh?
No, Kara, bring the paper closer. Okay, I got it. So, take shot. Thì nào luôn nhé. Cái tôi nói là this is have 990 chair 1236 chair everybody.
1,000.
This chair
236.
Which one is greater among these?
99.
99. Which one is greater among these two?
576.
76. And teacher put it there.
9,000. No, it has 4 nines. And the other one has
Yep, very
3
good.
nines.
Very good. Any? 786, 76.
7,
Yep, 7, 8. Very good. I'm guessing you guys a lot. 1,299. Devacha. Yangana. Any 1,999. Which one is greater? Which one is greater?
The second one.
The second one, because this has 1,099. This has 1,999 ra. So this one is greater.
Yes.
Very good.
I'm afraid that's correct.
Very good. This is how I go.
No, I'm still working on it.
Okay. So the last greater number, greater less. Comparing numbers sana. Tijula.
Done.
그 sana diksha. Ani kyo to pai chala na. To comparing number strings everybody compare number to the sign the picture the greater and lesser. Right? Everybody understood. How much strings are? Next one to chala na decreasing and increasing order. Kyunso yema on the jang but decreasing and increasing order la number